Diana Rose, Diana Joy de los Santos. Silver medalist from East Cavite goes to Vanessa May Ablanque. And the champion of the champions from East Cavite, gold medalist, Mikey Villanueva. And for our team championship, thank you girls, congratulations. Team championship second place goes to North Cavite. Representative from North Cavite to receive the award. Yes girls, come over for a victory stand. Stand up. And the champion, team champion, garnering 10 points, goes to East Cavite. Our congratulations to our team champions from North Cavite and East Cavite. Thank you, girls.
Sige, baba na kayo. Adun.
This time, we would like to present to you the competitors' finals for 100-meter dash. Boys, secondary. From North Cavite, athlete number 100, lane 4, Mark Angelo Policar.